Today we're going to open box for WoMaster DS408H Ethernet switch. You can see the product label here with the model name, product description, serial number, and hardware version. On the left side of the unit, you'll find the product label including MAC address, hardware version, power input range, and power consumption details. On the front panel, located the power input terminal supporting both low 11 to 24 VC and 10V to 36 VDC. There are also 4 gigabit Ethernet ports. On the top panel, here we have the status LED, a reset button, and 2 additional gigabit Ethernet ports. On the bottom panel, features 2 gigabit SFP slots for fiber connections, a USB Type-C console port. The DN rail clip is located on the rear of the device. To install, position the upper part of the device's rear clip onto the DN rail first. Then, push the DN rail clip upward to lock the device securely onto the rail. To remove, use a tool, such as a flathead screwdriver, to pull the DN rail clip downward. This will release the device from the rail. After powering up the switch, follow these steps to access the management interface. Set your computer's Ethernet IP address to be in the same subnet as the device. Open a web browser and enter the device IP address. Enter the default password, admin. Once logged in, use the navigation menu on the left to configure the device settings. DS408H supports complete Layer 2 features including ERPS, RSTP, IGMP snooping, QoS, VLAN, SNMP to ensure optimal network performance.